Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Career Drishti. I am your host for the day. My name is Purva Panwalkar and I am an educator and a certified career counselor. So we are talking about, in the current series we are talking about AI and its related careers. We are done with 2 or 3 videos we have covered the professions like machine learning engineers and many more. So if you all are interested, I'll make it a point that I put the links of the videos down in the description box below, so that you are able to you don't miss out on any important information. So in today's video we will be talking about 2 very closely related careers, that is data analysts and data scientists, who do quite a lot of similar work, but there are also a few minor differences in the type of work that they do, when they do the work they do, etc. So stay till the end, till we so that you would know about the roles and responsibilities of both of these careers. We talk about the educational qualifications, the skills and abilities required by both of these professionals, and also about the career personalities that are best suited for both these careers. So we will first begin with a data analyst. What does a data analyst do? So data analysts are responsible for collecting, organizing and interpreting large sets of data to extract valuable insight and support in the decision making of the given business. Now a data analyst works with various sources such as customer information, sales data, website analytics. Now what are the different things that these data analysts use? They use various statistical techniques and data visualization techniques to analyze the data, identify the trends and patterns of the market and identify the correlations between them. Now how does what is the use of this all analysis that the analysts are doing? So that helps the large business conglomerates in decision making, in optimizing their processes and drive towards growth. The data analysts use various tools, techniques and statistical methods too. They also are responsible for finding out the patterns and trends and correlations between the data. They work closely with the stakeholders to understand their needs. So need analysis. What is the need of the customers, maybe that in the given company that they are working for? Define research questions and present findings in a meaningful way. So you all must have realized one important thing. So understanding the needs is done in a business at the initial stages of the business, to understand the market trends of the business, to understand the market needs of the business, of the given of the customers that the company is working in. So this is one important aspect of data analysis. So the major key responsibilities of a data analyst are data collection or data gathering, data cleaning and preparation, then is the data analysis, the data visualizations and concluding or coming to some important insights and the reporting of the same. So a role of data analyst is evolving with the advancements in AI tools and technologies. AI tools used by them are usually machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, etc. and can since they are used in augmentation, they augment the capabilities of data analysis in several ways, by ways of automation, enhanced analysis, predictive analysis, which are very important for the businesses to take their businesses a level up or a step up. So overall, the integration of AI tools in the field of data analysis empowers or strengthens these data analysts to handle larger amounts of data, give the business better insights or deeper insights, make accurate or make accurate predictions, and untimely ultimately contribution to effective, efficient decision making. So that was all about data analysts. Now we move to the next profession of scientists. Now scientists or detectives, or I am going to talk about data scientists only. So these data scientists are have a role to play which is similar to a detective, who a detective, as we know, that they solve crimes. So a data scientist also, he is not going to solve crimes though, but yeah, the data scientist's role is to solve complex puzzles with the given data of the company. So what is their role? They have to extract and interpret, collect, analyze, interpret large amounts of data sets and making informed decisions. So the main focus of a data scientist is on implementing the advanced algorithms and predictive models. Now when we were talking about data analysts, they had a similar role to play, but when I told you there is a minor difference, when does a data analyst enter into the picture and when does a data scientist enter into the picture. So you all may be thinking that these two look to be the same, but their roles at a given point of time in the business is of utmost importance. So like I was saying, the main focus of a data scientist is on developing and implementing advanced algorithms and predictive models. They work with machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques to build models that are able to accurately predict or classify data. So how these models help data to gain a competitive edge over and by enabling them to anticipate the customer behavior, optimize operations and make data driven strategic decisions. Now we come to the important point that I have been talking about, is what is the distinctive difference between the role of a data analyst and the data scientist. Now they often collaborate in their work, but a data analyst provides important insights and lays the groundwork or the foundation, while the data scientist takes it further with advanced modeling and analysis. So this is the important junction where they come into picture and when they come into picture. So let us move to our next important aspect of educational qualifications, the skills and abilities that are required, along with the personality, the career personalities as we talk about. So the first part that we'll talk about is the educational qualifications. A bachelor's degree in the field like mathematics, statistics, computer science or engineering or a related field is typically required for both these roles. Some positions may require a master's degree or a PhD in the relevant field, especially for if you are planning to jump into more of a research oriented roles. Now what are the skills and technical abilities that an individual needs to possess? Strong knowledge of mathematics along with statistics, linear algebra and calculus are obviously, they give you an edge over the others. Proficiency in programming languages like Python or R, and a familiarity with libraries and frameworks commonly used in data sciences is definitely going to be an added advantage. Expertise in manipulation, cleansing and transformation techniques proves beneficial. Experience with data visualization tools and techniques a definitely added advantage. Understanding databases and SQL for data retrieval and manipulation. Then you need to be proficient in working with big data technologies like Hadoop or Spark. Now these are the technical skills and abilities that I talked about. There are some generic or generalized qualities that you must possess. Is strong analytical and problem solving skills, good observation skills, effective communication skills to present the findings of both technical non-technical stakeholders, and familiarity with cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure or Google Cloud are going to be a definitely added advantage. Now as I keep on telling that some of the skills you need to have as you, or if you wish to enter into the field, but there are some skills and abilities that you can gradually develop as you, if you wish to climb the ladder of in the organization that you are working with. Now what are the career prospects for data analysts as well as data scientists? So both these fields are in extreme demands across different industries or career fields, as I would call it. It's not only related to the IT sector. You can work successfully in fields like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, technology. So this is like across sectors that a data analyst and a scientist can work. The demand for professionals who can harness the power of data is going to continue to grow over a long time. Now I told you about the career prospects. Let's move on to our next this thing is career paths for a or career progression, as we would call it, as you get senior into the field and as well as the organization. So if you start as if you wish to work as a data analyst at an entry level, you can progress to become a senior analyst, a data engineer, or even get in eventually transition into data science. If you start as a data scientist, you can gradually progress as a lead data scientist, data science managers, chief data officers is the path of progression as you move ahead in your career. Now as you move in your career, there you will always have to technically upgrade yourself to keep in pace of the industry that you work with. So that is a very, very important aspect of it. Now we come to the final part of career personalities that best suit these professions. They are called as the MBTI personalities. So four main personalities that suit a data scientist are INTJ or INTP, ENTJ or ENTP. For a data analyst, the best suited personalities, MBTI personalities, are ISTJ or ISFJ, ESTJ or ESFJ. Now what do these acronyms mean? Y'all could, I will talk about it after a minute or so. So I want y'all to understand one thing, that these personalities are definitely considered as the best suited for the roles that I mentioned, but there are obviously people with different personalities also that would be working and will still be able to excel in the fields. The MBTI personalities give you a brief or a general tendencies that are able to best align with the skills and traits commonly associated with data scientists and data analysts. So if you wish to know which is the best personality, what is your career personality type, or does my personality type suit being a data analyst or a data scientist, you all can obviously take up psychometric tests at Career Drishti, which is one of the services that we offered, followed by a detailed career report analysis, a detailed one-on-one counseling session also is what we do at Career Drishti. So if you wish to book your appointment, you will find the link in the description box. So click on it and find out what is the best suited career and the best suited best suited, what is your personality suited for the career. So if you have if you want to be a part of this journey on how AI will be leveraged in different careers and want to learn how AI will benefit and enhance your existing careers, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as I release a video. Also like and share the video with your near and dear ones, friends, family, colleagues, and enhance your careers using and if you want to find out the if you want to find out what is the next career that you all want me to talk about, please do drop in a comment in the comments down below. I will definitely make it a point that along with what I have planned for you, I will also include your suggestions. If you have any suggestions also, you all can write them to us in the comment section given below. Once again, I thank you for your support, and I am looking forward to bringing you more and more engaging content and informative videos in the near future. So bye bye and have a nice day.